Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and we're getting close to the holidays and I have a couple stacks of subscription boxes that I want to go through. This one's going to be kind of an odds and ends one. This one is, and it's funny because I thought I canceled it and obviously I didn't, and that's the Walmart subscription box because I don't shop at Walmart. My husband does, but I don't. So, but I wanted to see what was in them, so I tried it out and I was like, okay, I can get this at where I shop, so, and you know, still get it at an affordable price. So, but we're gonna do that. And the other one is my coffee subscription, which I really like. I do these are both quarterly, they aren't the monthly ones and stuff like that. So let's start with the Walmart box, and it is saying that these are the fall faves. So let's see if they are in my book. Like I said, these are samples. It's like $5 for shipping for the box and stuff. So there's nothing not that I know of. Because this is, like I said, a lot of stuff I can get at my local drugstore. I apologize. So the first one is the Coconut Monoi Nivea body lotion. My kids are allergic to coconut, so this one is the Lala Fox Daily Skin Mask Milk Moisturizing. We'll try it. I'm not a mask person, not a full mask person, unless it fastens behind the ears and stuff like that, which this one does not. We got the Hard Candy Mattifying Primer Sheer Envy. And this is supposed to be like reduces the shine and all that. I have a dry face, so I'll see if one of my friends would like that. And I do have a few friends that like hard candy. Then we have the Dove Dry Spray 48-hour deodorant. And this is the cucumber one, which is just great for travel and such. And if you know, and if I don't use it for travel, I will donate it to the Ronald McDonald House to help out with that. This is the collagen peptides, so this is like a mix that you would mix into by Purely Inspired. I've seen this a couple times. I think I got this in something else. No, it's probably the summer box of this. So I think I've gotten this before. Unflavored dietary supplement. Okay, so, you know, check it out. Now, I am excited. One thing is that it is a full size, and it's called Find Your Perfect Nude by NYX. So they put a little flyer in here, and they sent me the NYX Lingerie Cashmere Silk, and I think it's one I actually don't have. Let's open it and check it out. Because it's a little darker, but it also looks like it's starting to kind of crack and separate. So I don't know if you can see. If you look in there, look at that. So it's really thick. I don't know. I think I might save this for a friend, because I don't think it's really, it's got that off chocolate that a lot of times doesn't work for me. So not bad. I mean, just the value of the lingerie thing, but like I said, I am a little worried about the age of it because of the cracks and the creases that are in it, even after I kind of moved stuff around. So we'll have to see how that one goes. So, and they're advertising their new lippies that have the built-in sharpener and all that. And so that's kind of funny. So the other one is my quarterly one, my seasonal Amora coffee and stuff. This is something I got because my husband and I really like trying different coffees and such, and we're a little, how do you say it? It's kind of hard to sometimes find gourmand, if you want to call it gourmand coffees, but other than, you know, there's a Seattle's Best, there's McCafe, there's those, but when you want more of the specialty ones and stuff like that, of course you get all the junky things and stuff like that. Amora, and it does cost, I get 3 bags every quarter, So it cost about $45 for the box every quarter, 3 bags of coffee. So each bag is roughly $15 each, $14.95. So I don't do it monthly. I only do it quarterly and stuff, even though we do go through a lot of coffee. But I try to stock up on the other ones and mix these in sometimes, or just do it straight out. So this one is, it's like I said, it's my special coffees, and this is the chocolate, is it the chocolate cherry? Ooh, chocolate, no. Yeah, chocolate cherry. I thought it said, so I got 3 bags of these. We had a grinder, it quit, so I have to go back to ground instead of beans, which lasts longer. And this one is, like I said, the chocolate cherry ground Carmela blend. So I saw the Carmela blend, so I thought it was caramel. I wasn't paying attention and stuff like that. And this is something that my husband and I both, you know, can enjoy and just kind of, like I said, supplement for the everydays every once in a while and enjoy this. So we definitely go through easily a bag of coffee. My husband can go through a bag of coffee in a week. So we get 3 bags, and like I said, it's around $45. It's not too bad. It could, you know, like I said, it's one that we enjoy. We like it just to change it up. We never know what we're getting. I think, you know, the peppermint ones, I'm not crazy about peppermint coffee, but I bought coffee from a fundraiser from one of the kids. They have a rule, they have to come ask me, their parents can't. And I got like a Dutch apple one, and I was like, oh, let's just try it. It's really good. So you know, we're into trying them, seeing how, you know, the flavored ones and stuff like that. We're more of a dark roast family. My husband's kind of getting away from dark roast, but his tummy's starting to say, no more, no more. So, but those are my kind of quarterly subscriptions for something that's, you know, makeup. I wouldn't call, you know, I guess the Walmart one is makeup, but it's not like something that's like, ooh, I got to have it. No, I don't have to have it. I wonder if this will work in milk. It says to use it in like an 8 ounce of water or beverage of choice. So, and it's non-flavored. So I wonder if that would work with milk, because it's got biotin in it. We'll try it, see how it goes. So, well, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I know this is an odd subscription unboxing. I'm getting ready to go to work. I work every day up till Christmas. I have Christmas off, and then I work every day up till New Year's. So it's going to be a very, very busy couple of weeks. That's why I haven't had a lot of videos. I have been booked solid, and even last night when I was trying to leave, I couldn't get out of work until I started an hour early, hour and 15 minutes early, and I didn't get out of work till almost an hour later than I was supposed to. So it's been a little crazy, been a little hectic, but I love it. I enjoy it. You know, working with people and working with clients and stuff. I had a couple clients that came in last minute. And yeah, I wasn't going to turn them away. So yeah. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.